So sometimes you run into errors where your migration's just not working, and it's kind of frustrating. And you try to migrate and then do all this stuff. One quick method to overcome all that is, especially since we're working locally, we're not making these huge changes where migrations really are that important. You can just go in here and you want to delete each folder called migrations, every single one, because we're going to resync the database. So go ahead and delete every single instance of it, every single one. Doesn't matter which app it is. You just need to make sure that they're no longer there, because resyncing the database requires us to make sure that the migrations are empty, and we're going to have to convert all this stuff to South one more time. This is also going to delete all of your data, so make sure that you know that. But since we are in a local version, we're just testing things out. It's not a big deal. And then we just drop in, delete the SQLite stuff. Okay. So in my case, I'm going to go to source 2 as an example. And we're just going to do a Python manage.py sync database. And it's going to create everything all over again. And then we need to make our auth again. Okay, so now that we have that, notice nothing is synced. Now, if you kept a migration folder in there, it is going to say not synced, even though it will not be installed. If it says not synced after doing what we just did, that means it is not installed. And to know that, you just scroll up and see what apps are installed in here, and then that way you'll know for sure down here. And here we just do the Python manage.py, convert to South, and then whatever app name, so products. And then you can go through on each one, and then back into our folders, we'll see that migrations come back. So that's kind of how you solve if you run into errors with migrations and you keep getting these errors. This is the easiest way to do it. And again, since we're working in a test environment, it's okay if we delete the database and all of our migrations and all that stuff. All right.